Hello, this is TSCLE prototype and presentation. My name is Jing Meng. My topic is build classroom culture. Instructional problems. Teachers are too busy to get trainings, but they need trainings every year. There are a lot of trainings are theoretical but not practical. Trainings cannot satisfy every teacher's need. Learning problem. To build a diverse classroom culture involve everyone is not easy. Teachers are from different academic backgrounds and teaching philosophies, and the students are also have different families and culture. The challenge to how to connect teachers, students, family, and the school is a challenge. Target audience. Generally, the most common audience are open for kinder to second grade. The audience can be a homeschool classroom teacher, foreign language teachers, IB program teacher, and a new teacher or education students. Situated learning, based on the characters, there's a 4 ways to apply. Group activities, role plays, scenario basic learning using technology. Situated learning environment places students in learning situation where they are immersed in activity while using problem-solving, critical thinking skill. Those activities should involve social communities and a real-world situation. At the end, situated learning experience should encourage students to use their knowledge, face the challenge. Learning outcomes. Learning outcome 1, critical thinking about how to manage a class with diverse students and different challenges. Instructional strategies, problem solving, collaboration, and social negotiation. Assessment, pre-review, everyone look and discuss each one and then give each one feedback. Learning outcome 2, be able to use knowledge and experience to make an authentic classroom building, implement idea into teamwork project, solve the problem that K-2 teachers may face, demonstrate assumptions by doing research, ask a subject matter expert, develop and enhance classroom management skill, instructional strategy, collaboration, and social negotiation, multiple perspective, creation, role play. Assessment, per review, everyone look and discuss and give each one feedback. Learning outcome number 3, be able to create your unique, comfortable classroom in new school year. Instructional strategy, creation, role play, assessment, pre-review, rubric. Outcome 4, developing and design in each K-2 learning process and the learning environment. Be able to think from the big picture to specific items. Deeper understand the development and the relationship that student, family, community, society. Instructional strategy, creation, collaboration, and social negotiation, multiple perspectives, assessment, pre-review, and then each one will contribute in section and in the project. Hello, welcome to my website. This is the website that what I built. It's a build classroom culture. In this website, there's a 4 way to apply situated learning. So the first is a group activity, role play, scenario basic, and use the technology. So this is the homepage. Hello and welcome to build a classroom culture website. So this website will help you develop skills by solving the authentic scenario problems. And you can click here, start, and then you can jump to a scenario directly. Or you can take a little rest of them. The purpose of this website, and then the objects, what we're gonna learn, the outcome in here. And then right here, right now, who are you? That's the instructional problem. Who are you? Sorry, that's why you are here. That's an instructional problem. Who are you? That's a target audience. And what do you know and will know? That's a general knowledge domain. And then here's a scenario. You can click here and then just go to different scenario you want to solve, or I will click here. So when you get into the scenario, and then you click here, and then you can just read the story and answer the question. So those questions, like look up some theory or strategy that can help make a lesson plan. Can you help a teacher see to solve the problem? And then this what's a good experience that you want to share? So the student can work as a group and then look up the resource or they can share, they can social negotiate over here, share experience they have. And then after the scenario is a role play game. So the role play game is different to the scenario, but it's really authentic. So you have to choose an avatar. Different avatar have different background, and so the teacher's job is not to manage the conversation, but the teacher have to make sure everyone on the task. So like Jordan, he work in first grade and he has a student with mixed behavior, and how he gonna do with this. And then Tyler has a more and more student, and the school gonna give her more student. What she gonna do? And Chris has a multi-level classroom, multi-level class for her. So how she gonna handle those? And then after that, I have to choose a classroom setting. Those are real setting chart for the classroom. And then after that, draw the check mark for the material that what you need. And then choose a way to connect with family, and the classroom rule, circle 10 rules that you think very important for your class. And then design a lesson plan for your class too. And then you can post a new post over here for the discussion. And then the last step will be give teachers a feedback. So in here, I put a template, role play teacher role. So like for example, I'm Jordan, or I'm Chris, or I'm Tyler. My class setting will be what kind of class setting chair you want to have, and then what kind of material you're gonna have. That's the format. And then the other is a role play tips and so like for example, you see other teacher post and you want to reply, and then here's the like a rule or template. And then after that is a rubric. So it's not just the reply what you want to say, but it's also like a rubric. So what kind of thing you want to build in the classroom and with structure. And then the second one will be, the third one will be create. So it's a really hands-on project. There's a video about create a positive learning environment. And then also we practice role play, and over here you can play your own classroom culture, and then write a name and email, and then put your thing on, and then submit, and then we're gonna share. And then here's a rubric as well. After that is a group discussion. It's a social negotiation part, and then it's also a group activity. It's a multiple perspective as well. So the teacher can choose a different group they want to join. They can join the lesson plan activity or Zoom workshop, be professional, or build a relationship with the families. So those are kind of what they need. And then the resource, those resources are really helpful to help the teacher build the skills, and then share the story, or find the problem, like solve the problem. And then it will be the member. So there's a different member over here. So you put your mouse here, and you will see the name and the email address, so they can connect each other. And then there will be the assessment. Assessment is for the whole situated learning assessment. So this is for the whole outcome. So what you think, what kind of knowledge you learn, and then there's the category. Okay. And then at the homepage, let's go back to the homepage. So at the homepage, I have the feedback at the end. So after they finish the class, or they read through the website, they can put their feedback for me. So I will collect the resource, and then to get better. And then here's a let's chat. If a student or anyone have a problem, a learner will have a problem, so they can chat and ask. Okay.